How can we restart a MacBook? Head to the Apple logo at the top left corner. Click on the little Apple icon, and on this list you will see option to restart. If your computer is non-responsive, you cannot click on it. You kind of try to click, nothing happening. Try to click on the desktop once first to be sure the Finder is active, not any other app, and then click on that Apple. If this didn't solve your problem, it's still unresponsive, you will need to press the power button on your keyboard. That's the very same button with the Touch ID, the fingerprint button. So just press and hold the fingerprint button until your computer shuts down completely, and then you can just turn it on again. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.